Fix Service Error 2, the system cannot find the file in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Both the System File Checker, SFC, and the Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, tools are integral utilities in Windows that can diagnose and repair issues related to system files. They work together to fix file corruption and restore the health of your system. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering each command, restart your system, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Windows incorporates various troubleshooters designed to automatically diagnose and fix a range of computer issues. Running a relevant troubleshooter might help identify and resolve the problem causing the service error. For example, if you are having trouble with the Windows Update service, you should run the Windows Update troubleshooter. At times, the issue may lie not with the service itself but with the user profile you are currently using. Corrupt user profiles can often cause errors and inconsistencies with system functions. In this case, creating a new user profile and assigning the necessary permissions can potentially solve the issue. If that didn't work, System Restore is a utility in Windows that allows you to revert your computer's system files, programs, and settings to a previous state. This function is particularly helpful if your system has been negatively impacted by a change, such as a software update or manual modification of services. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Your computer will reboot.